Hello. I'm for studying game development with you guys. This time, we will see how to create, save, and load a project after installing the Unity engine. First, let's see how to create a Unity project. After installing the Unity engine by following the Unity engine installation tutorial, launch the Unity Hub. To create a new project on the Unity Hub screen, click the blue New Project button in the Project tab. Click the New Project button to go to the project creation stage. In the project creation stage, you can decide several things. First, by selecting the editor version at the top, you can choose the Unity version of the project you are creating. This will show you all versions of the Unity editor you have installed on your computer, but I only have version 2020.3 installed, so I only see this version. As I said while installing the Unity editor, it is usually most stable to select the latest version of LTS. Then there is the template. You can choose it depending on what kind of game you want to make, but the most basic templates are 2D and 3D. If you plan to make a 2D game, choose a 2D template. If you plan to make a 3D game, choose a 3D template. Usually, you can select and use a template marked with a core like a 2D template or a 3D template from among the templates. In addition to 2D and 3D templates, core templates include VR templates, AR templates, 3D mobile templates, and 2D mobile templates. Other templates are samples or learning templates to learn or check the features of Unity. After that, you just need to name your project. The default name is My Project, but if the name is the same, numbering is added after it. However, using the default name makes it difficult to find which project is which when a lot of projects are piled up. So let's make it a habit to always name your projects in a way that's easy to recognize. The project location is a location you can easily find or a location that will be your local Git repository. Now click the Create Project button to create a new project. When the creation of the newly created project is completed, the Unity Engine editor is launched. Assets such as scripts, prefabs, textures, and materials that you work on in the Unity editor are visible in the project view. And the objects placed inside the scene, which can be called the level of the game, can be viewed through the scene view and the hierarchical view. Working with assets in the project view is seldom necessary, as most modifications are automatically saved immediately. However, if you do not save the work in the scene and turn it off incorrectly, it may cause a problem that all work contents will be blown, so it is recommended to be careful. When objects are added or changed to the scene in this way, a asterisk will appear next to the scene's name in the hierarchy view, indicating that there are unsaved changes. As mentioned before, if you don't save in time, you can lose your work. Therefore, right before exiting the editor or at the moment when you feel satisfied with your work and feel like you shouldn't fly, you always press the Ctrl+S shortcut to save the scene changes. Alternatively, you can save it by selecting File Save from the top menu bar. In addition, changes to the scene cannot be saved while the game is being played in the editor, and modifications made during play are reset to the state before the game is played as soon as play is stopped. That's why it's important to make sure the game isn't playing before you start working on it. After that, we will first quit the Unity editor to learn how to load the project. And launch Unity Hub again. At the top of the project list, you will see the project you just created is displayed. By selecting the desired project here, you can reopen the project you were working on and continue your work. Usually, the most recently executed projects are sorted with the topmost. So if the project is not turned on for a long time, the project may be down at the bottom. In that case, you can scroll down to find the project or use the search to find it. However, sometimes the project disappears from this list. In that case, you can click the Open button and directly find and select the project in the Select Project to Open dialog box. In this video, we learned how to create a new project, save the project, and load the project again. This video was produced with the donate and viewing of all of our subscribers. It was Vers Game Development YouTube. Thank you.